Today, we're gonna talk about how to do knee tuck ins. And here, we have two ways of doing it, either seated on the floor or on a bench. And in this video, I'm gonna demonstrate both ways to you. First, start by sitting down on the floor with your hands directly next to your body. Bend your legs and raise them a little bit from the floor, and then bring your knees towards your chest. Then extend your legs until they're fully extended. Don't touch the floor, and repeat. And here we're using the hands only for balance. So if you're able to remove them, it will definitely be more challenging. Keep on repeating until you reach the desired number of repetitions. And the second way is seated on the bench, where you can also use your hands for assistance by placing them on the edge of the bench or by removing them to make the exercise more difficult. And here, the same tips applies as the floor seated knee tuck ins. So you start by raising your legs a little bit off the floor, straightening them, and then bring your knees towards your chest and extend again. And if you're able to remove your hands, it will be more challenging. Also, you keep on repeating until you reach the desired number of repetitions.